Greetings, Mark Brown here. We're going to be looking at how we can create a bar chart right here in our Excel document right here. All right, very important. I'm going to be guiding you through this step by step. First, we want to block all the cell that the figure actually in. And if you notice right up here, it's known as the tab. So I'm going to click on the Insert tab. Now, when I click on Insert tab, what it bring down right here is the ribbon. And if you notice within the ribbon, you have groups. So if you notice right here, table is one group, right? There's another group right here, chart, two right here, you notice. Sparkness right here, filter right here. So we want to focus on a bar chart, right? So definitely, this is the one that we're going to actually click right here. Come all the way down. So if you notice, these are the different types of bar charts we have right here. Definitely. All right. If you notice, you can actually come like this and size it up. You can actually move it, right? And if you notice right up here, you can actually change the way all the bar charts stay. You can actually come right here. You notice, see some more right here. Just the same. We can make the different adjustment to a bar chart, just like that. Yes, you can actually change title and everything. Right, I can even come right up here, so change it and put a typo and all of that. So definitely, and not only that, you can also right click on it. If you notice, it also has another feature. You can actually select data layer right here, so control show you. So very important right here. So this is how we actually create right here a bar chart right here in Excel. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.